Welcoming in for sale at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle this Land Rover Discovery D300 R-Dynamic SE with an eye-catching Portofino Blue Exterior complementing the LED headlights as well as 21-inch diamond-toned alloy wheels, also featuring keyless entry and privacy glass. This Discovery also benefits from a full service history as well as coming with manual third row seats. Stepping inside the Discovery now, we're just going to take a look at the driver's seat memory function as well as a Meridian sound system, electric window controls and blind spot assist. Also coming fitted with heated front electric seats as well as a sliding panoramic roof. I'm now just showcasing the steering wheel as well as the steering wheel controls, which include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, a heated steering wheel and voice control. And then coming up to the digital driver's display. Heading down to the centre console now, I've got the gear shift paddle as well as a 2-zone climate control and the extremely responsive 11.4-inch Pivi Diamond infotainment system. This infotainment system truly has so much to offer, and here I'm just going to go through some of its fantastic features, including the 3D surround camera, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and so much more. This Discovery also comes fitted with the electrically deployable Towbar alongside a towing capacity of up to 3,500 kilograms. And finally, taking a look into the back of the Discovery now, showing ample space for up to 5 passengers as well as an extra 2 in the rear. Also coming fitted with ISOFIX and of course 2 rear cup holders. For any more information or a personalised video, please get in contact on 01228 599 000.